Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to hide posts from Instagram authors you don't want to see. So say we don't want to see this ad from GWG Africa, so we're going to tap on the three dots at the top right corner of this post, tap on it, and then you can say not interested. So once you tap on not interested, you could look through the options and see if you have something that matches with your preference. Because we don't want to see it, we can tap on something else, and then it says you won't see this ad again. Now, the first option was an ad. You could also try this out with another author. So you're going to go to the post, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of this post, tap on not interested, then it says this post has been hidden. We'll show fewer posts like this from now on. I'm going to tap on undo because this is not what I actually want to do. For the sake of this tutorial, we're just showing you just that. So these are the steps to follow if you'd like to hide posts from Instagram authors that you don't want to see.